free. That's my favorite price range. Okay guys, there are hundreds of products in grocery stores like Trader Joe's and Sprouts, and for these two stores in particular, they want you to try all of them, as many as possible. They want you to find items that you enjoy, that you will come back for time and time again, okay? So here's the deal. They want you to sample anything and everything, basically. Okay, so for Sprouts, this probably doesn't really apply to the vitamins department. Can't really do that, but pretty much everything else in the store, if you ask to sample it, they'll either give it to you or they'll open it right then and there. And the only problem with this is some new people are not well trained and don't know that this is actual policy. But as for people who have been in these stores for a long time, they absolutely know about the Yes program, that they want to make the customers happy, that there's so many things on the shelves. They realize that if you don't try them, you may never try them. And if they don't take the chance on opening it up for you, then they may miss out on sales. You may miss out on your favorite products, and that's what it boils down to. So here's the deal. Sprouts on every single receipt has a please complete the survey right on there. And it's going to ask you a bunch of questions. One of those questions on there is, did you receive any samples? That is what they want to know. And some stores have very low sampling due to poor education of their employees. Some employees don't understand that that is an actual goal, so they don't offer it, so they don't ask people to do those things. But this is the bottom line. If you want free stuff at Sprouts, then you look at something, you say, I'd like to try that. Then you find somebody that works there and say, hey, can I try this? And they'll either just outright mark out the barcode, write sample on it, and give it to you, and you take it home and try it, or they'll open it up, like I already said. So the bottom line is they want to reach goals. Different stores have different goals, but usually the goal is 40% samples during surveys. So you're helping them out. And as for other health stores or other grocery stores, it can't hurt to ask. Just ask them. Some places probably will say yes. Some places might say no. But you got to know. You got to find out. You got to check. You got to ask. So do your due diligence. You want to find the best products out there. You got to ask questions. You got to ask people. You got to know where you can get stuff for free. And Sprouts and Trader Joe's are two great locations that do this on a regular basis and have goals for doing that. So I suggest you guys shop at those places. Stay healthy. Like, share, subscribe. Video review of myself at 100K followers and subscribers. Thank you so much. Just subscribers. I don't know why I said followers. It's all this social media bleeding.